In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located underneath your engine cover under the hood. We're going to remove this cover first. You're just going to pull up on it and set it aside. And now we're going to remove these two airflow tubes. Ours are not correct. Yours should just unhook from here. And right here is another tab where you'd push in and pull this off. Do that for the other side as well. Again, ours is broken. Now we're going to unhook this hose here by just pulling it off. And then you're going to lift up on either side and unhook the rest of this. There should be 4 clips that are holding it to the engine, like so. Now that we have the engine cover off, we have 6 right there. You're going to want to replace all of these at the same time, and the process is the same for all 6. We're going to unlock our lock here for the connector. Push down on that gray lock, and then you're going to unplug it. Push down and pull. Set it aside. And now we're going to use a T30 Torx bit to take these bolts out. Take those out, set them aside. And now we're going to remove our coil. I'm just going to put your hands around it and pull up. Here's our coil. We're going to put some dielectric grease right here. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. And we're going to put it in. So you line up the bolt holes. Once you have that in, you're going to start your bolts. We're going to torque these bolts to 72 inch-pounds. You don't want to over tighten these. Now we're going to plug it in, push it on, and then once you hear that click, you're going to lock it in place. The process is the same for the rest. Slide it into place. Make sure the square is lined up. And then once you're lined up, you're going to push in. There's 4 points that you have to push in. Now we're going to install our airflow tubes. Notice where the curve is and line it up accordingly. And then push it onto here. Yours should line up, ours doesn't. Do the same on the other side. Make sure you put your tube back on. Slide it on. And now we can put our last cover on. There should be 2 clips here. We only have 1. And there should be 2 grommets that fit into these 2 spaces. Line things up. You're going to see 2 slits here that fit into that groove. Like that. snap into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.